How to download Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Facebook in your iPhone or Android. Now for people who already know what Facebook is, what you'll need to do is head over to your App Store or Google Play Store. After you're on Google Play Store or App Store, simply search for Facebook. After you search for Facebook, you will get the Facebook app right here. Tap on it and open it up. Now, Facebook is one of the most popular and highly used social media app where you can meet with real people and you can make a lot of things there. So to download this, you will simply need to tap on the install button here. I don't have the install button as it's already installed in mine, so I'll just update it. So after you tap on it, it should start downloading, and after it completes downloading, you can open it up. You can create your own account, or if you already have one, you can log in and use Facebook. And yeah, that is how you can download Facebook on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.